Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to watch Disney Plus for free. So if you've seen videos claiming that there's a secret trick to unlock Disney Plus without paying, then here's what you should know. The truth is there isn't a legitimate way to permanently watch Disney Plus for free because Disney Plus requires an active subscription to watch its movie, TV shows, and exclusive originals. So you need to be careful with website, apps, browser extensions, or APK files that promise free Disney Plus accounts or unlimited access, because many are scams that can steal your account information or infect your device with malware. However, there are still a few official ways you might be able to access Disney Plus without paying the full subscription price. Depending on your country, some mobile carriers, internet providers, or streaming bundles occasionally include Disney Plus as a part of their eligible plan. To see whether you're eligible, visit the official Disney Plus website or check with your mobile carrier or internet provider. If no promotions are available, subscribing to the official Disney Plus app or website is the only legitimate way to access the full library. So that was the truth about watching Disney Plus for free. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.